To use Quizlet, start at our class Quizlet page here. Choose the set that you want. That's the unit that we're studying. In this case, I'll choose Unit 10. And they have on the website lots of activities that you can use to practice. Most people choose the flashcards to begin. And you can hear, you have audio. Click the flashcard to hear the audio. Click to flip it, and you can hear it, the vocabulary word here. If you go back, they have a lot of other activities that you can use to practice. Some of them are games. There are tests you can take. When you try the spelling activity, you hear the word and spell it. There are a lot of different ways to practice. One thing that's important to remember is that for every unit, we have about 50 vocabulary words. Right now, I'm just practicing with the words that I chose. You can see I chose some that I've missed before. So I chose those with the yellow star, and then some other words that I think are troublesome. So I starred those as well. And now I'm just practicing with those 8. But if I choose all of them, I have the entire list. So that's Quizlet. You can also, if you go to the 3 dots here, you can print your list, I mean. I usually use the glossary format. It seems to be the most compact. Open the PDF, which you can save on your computer, and then print your list here. So you can study away from your computer as well. But don't forget that Quizlet is also available on your smartphone. So that's Quizlet, and if you have any more questions, just send me an email and I'll help you as soon as I can.